Hello folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about different ways you can make yourself look like a cool pro hacker and involve your friends in inferiority complex. So let's get started. The first way is by using command prompt. So go to search, type here CMD and hit enter. First of all, we'll have to get rid of this command prompt title here. To do so, type here title, give a space and write anything you want like hacking the system. Next, we'll have to get rid of all this ugly text here and give it a hacking look. Right here prompt, give a space. Here you can write your name like handygamer@hacker. But don't forget to add $G at the end. Now hit enter, and as you can see we got now something like etching here. Now let's turn all this text here into green because hacking stuff is always green in movies. To do so, type here colorway and hit enter, and it's done. Now you'll have to run a command here so it looks like you are really hacking. You can either run the tree command, which looks very cool but it's short. You can use a longer command which is dir/s, hit enter. After all this, you can click on the full screen button and that's it. Now your friends will start getting jealous of you. Second method is to create a batch file that looks like a hacking terminal. To do so, go to search and open Notepad. When it's open, copy and paste the command given in description. Now click on file and select save as. Now from the drop down menu, select all types. Give this file a name like hacking terminal, but don't forget to add .bat at the end. Now save this file. Now let's open this file. As you can see, it looks like a cool hacking terminal. Now let's click Y and it has started some cool hacking simulation. Now let's again click Y and there you go, you are a hacker now. The third method is to create some cool animations so it looks like you're really a pro. So let's first open Notepad. Now here you don't have to do anything, just copy and paste the code given in video description. Now click on file and select save as. Select all types from drop down menu. Give it a title such as Earth Animation and save it. Now let's open it. And boom, now your friends really think that you're a pro. Another animation you can create is StarWars movie in command prompt. Yes, you heard that right. First of all, you'll have to make sure that Telnet feature is installed in your computer. So open search, type here Windows features and hit enter. Scroll down until you find Telnet client. If the box is checked, then you have to do nothing. If it's not, then go on to check it and click OK. When you are done with it, go to search, type here Telnet and hit enter. When it's open, type here O and hit enter. Then type towel.blinkenlights.nl and hit enter. There you go, the show is started and it looks very cool. Next, you can use some websites to look like a hacker. So let's open the browser. The first website is HackerTyper.net. Here you can type anything randomly on keyboard and it'll look like you are coding. The next website is Pranx Online Hacker Simulator. In this website, it really looks like you are doing something really important for your state. The next website you can use is GeekTyper.com and it also looks very cool. There is some interesting stuff given here. Just type here anything randomly and it looks like you are doing something serious. I am sure you liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.